Hello, thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Today we are making a very easy and simple recipe. This is a vegetarian recipe. There's no meat involved. I'm going to show you how to put it all together. We're going to need some eggplant. I have here 2 large eggplants and I peeled them and then I chopped them up just like this. And I have here 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, 1 bunch of parsley chopped, and 1 large onion cut in little banana shapes just like this. We're gonna need salt and a can of diced tomato. And this is how we chop our eggplant. After chopping them up, I'm gonna go ahead and fry them up until they are golden brown, just like this color right here. Okay, and this is the color that you want it to be, a golden color. We don't want it to be a darker color. And then after frying our eggplant, we are going to fry our onions until they are golden. The secret with frying onions is you're gonna need to keep stirring the whole time so they can become the same color. Frying, you'll see that the oil has came to the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and drain that because I don't want a lot of oil in this. The eggplant absorbed oil and now it's kind of like draining it. So go ahead and drain it before we add our tomato. So I drained out the oil and I'm gonna put our heat on medium. And I'm gonna go ahead and pour half of our can of tomato. And I have petite diced tomato. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add our 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, salt, and I'm just gonna stir these in together. So as soon as it starts boiling, I'm gonna reduce it and let it cook for about 20 minutes or so, and then our dish should be ready. And we're gonna top it off with chopped parsley, and we're gonna eat pita bread with it. I'll be back here in a little bit. About 20 minutes on medium heat, and I'll stir it around every 5 minutes or so. And after 20 minutes of boiling, our dish is ready to serve. This was a very fast and easy recipe, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.